When removing the fresh water tank, hold both sides with both hands, gently lift it up, and pour out any remaining water. Rinse the inside and outside surfaces of the fresh water tank with clean water, ensuring no residue remains. Wipe the outside of the fresh water tank with a dry cloth to ensure it is completely dry. After cleaning, refill with clean water, close the lid, and place the fresh water tank back onto the base assembly. Press and hold the water change button on the side for 3 seconds to automatically drain the water from the drinking tray. Lift out the waste water tank and remove the drinking tray. Rinse the inside and outside surfaces of the waste water tank thoroughly with clean water. Wipe the outside of the waste water tank with a dry cloth to keep it dry. After cleaning, reinstall the drinking tray and place the waste water tank back onto the base assembly. Remove the drinking tray together with the waste water tank. Remove the water inlet cap in the center of the drinking tray. Then take out the internal components one by one, including the swivel tube and the cleaning sponge. Please make sure not to lose any parts. Use the included soft bristle brush to thoroughly clean the water outlet of the drinking tray and all removable components. After cleaning, reinstall the swivel tube, cleaning sponge, and other components in the correct order. Secure the water inlet cap and tighten it properly. Before reinstalling the drinking tray, wipe dry the base and the metal contact pins on the bottom of the tray. These parts must not come into contact with water and must be kept completely dry. Use a dry cloth or a slightly damp cloth to gently wipe the base assembly. Ensure that the metal contact pins on the base remain completely dry.